Shoeman here with an Insta-Worthy that's going to be dressing up your fridge. You're just going to need newspaper, alphabet magnets, and 2 different kinds of spray paints, one not pictured. You're going to need a gold metallic kind and also a glitter sealer. I actually got this idea off of Pinterest and thought it would be fun to do for my kitchen as well as my channel. So let's get started. First, place all the magnets with the magnets facing downward on top of the newspaper, and try to space them out as best as you can so you cover the most amount of surface area. Make sure to follow all the instructions that come with the spray paint, like use in a well-ventilated area, that kind of thing, and shake before using and start spraying. Let dry before coating with the glitter sealer. Again, same thing with the sealer. Follow the directions, use in a well-ventilated area, that kind of thing, and coat your magnets with this glittery sealant. Then let dry. And there you have it, Pixies. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Use the hashtag I created for this video, and click the bell for notifications, and have a wonderful rest of your day. I'll see you next time on my channel. Bye!